Good afternoon, everyone. So I have a very special treat today. I'm staying in Hadco Experience's Asa Wright Nature Centre. Now, you may or may not be aware that this place was recently refurbished and done over and brought back after COVID. It's truly beautiful, and I'll be staying, as I said, one night and a day here to experience all the birding and what they've done with the place. I'm going to do my best to document everything so you can see what an experience here would be like if you were to come with your friends, family, or even by yourself like me. So yeah, come along for your ride, check it out. It's a really beautiful place. I'm so glad that they brought it back, and I can't wait to see what they have to offer.
So Asa Wright, may I please offer you a cold towel soaked in lemongrass.
Right.
It will aid in relieving the stress of that long journey coming up this mountain.
Stress of my wife and child home. Yeah, do that one.
Also, please, this is Kaelan. He's one of our bartenders. Kaelan, non-alcoholic beverage.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome, sir.
I love juice, so I appreciate it.
You're most welcome.
Thank you.
And when you're ready, we'll just move forward.
Okay.
No, I'll put this one. This is mine.
Very nice. Yes, my brother. What's your name?
So my name is Jeremy Lewis.
Jeremy Lewis, and you work at Hadco Experience's Asa Wright location.
Correct. I'm one of the tour guides here, one of 5 tour guides here.
Fantastic. And how long have you been working here?
Actually 7 months.
7 months, okay. You've enjoyed the experience?
So far it's been great. I didn't think it would have been my dream job, but it is a dream job currently. Yeah.
Just tell me very briefly, what is very special about Hadco and Asa Wright in particular to you?
The thing is that this is almost like an untouched, portion of paradise.
Okay.
It's very quiet up here. When it is you come up here and you come away from the hustle and bustle of everyday life, you feel as though all your problems just washed away. Nature itself has that healing effect, I believe, on people.
Understood. And obviously there's a lot of birds and different kind of animals up here. What can people expect to find if they come on a night visit or stay?
So on a night visit, where you'll expect to find a lot of the night creatures, so things like owls, snakes, insects, tarantulas, spiders, scorpions, manicous, tattoos, you name it. There's a ton. We have quite a diverse species of nightlife here at the Asa Wright Nature Centre.
And during the day, likewise, it's have different animals. What's your most popular attractions here? What do people come for all over the world?
Well, again, mostly people come here for the birds. We have quite an array of birds. In Trinidad, we have just over 400 species of birds, and half of them reside here. You can actually find here at the centre.
Okay.
Right? But when you go deeper into the forest and you actually look around, you'll see things like the agoutis. You may, if you're lucky, you could spot a deer. And various other mammals and even sometimes reptiles as well.
Awesome. So I guess if anybody's watching this now and they're thinking of coming to Asa Wright, what would you tell them?
I would tell them definitely, if this is something that you love, if you want to experience nature in its purest form, if you want to learn, or if you just want to have a relaxing time, definitely make your way up here. It's definitely worth it. Speaking personally, the staff treat everybody great. And it's so peaceful and very relaxing.
Awesome. Well, thank you very much. Have a good day, bro.
All right.
That's it. just woke up from my night here. It was really comfortable, awesome. You saw the bedrooms yesterday. So now I'm having a little bit of breakfast. So it's worth mentioning, when you do the overnight packages, there's also day packages. I'll leave all the information in the caption down below. But essentially, when you come for these day or overnight packages, you get a lot of stuff included in it. In my overnight package, I got tea, which consisted of coffee as well as a lot of desserts and stuff. And then in the night, a fantastic dinner. As well as now when you wake up in the morning, you get breakfast and then lunch before I leave. So check-in times are generally 3 p.m. and you leave normally 12 at lunch the following day. Bacon and egg omelette, freshly baked bread. And I'm all about that fresh bread. And this is a delicious breakfast. And even last night when I had dinner, it was totally delicious as well too. And they had fresh juices. Really good stuff. They've obviously really put a lot of effort and detail into everything they do here to make it a true experience for foreigners and locals alike. Highly recommend it. So I'm leaving the room area now and we're gonna go look for a natural pool that they have on site. But first I just wanted to show you the birding area and also where they have a nice little courtyard for guests to come and sit. Not my fault.
You going on the trail now?
Alright, here we have zebra pea. This found a lot in the north on our island. This is used as a medicinal plant, like if you have the cold or flu. You'll take the leaves and you could infuse it in pure alcohol, and the alcohol will change and get green.
Okay.
You'll cut that
And you can drink that for your health
and you could drink it, but before you drink it, I recommend that you use suck a lime or an orange to cut the bitter taste from your mouth.
Okay.
And just take a shot down and you're good to go.
Very good.
Alright.
Go.
Right. So here we are, the clear water pool. It's a flight of stairs. It's a lovely waterfall. But previously, before it was a waterfall, it was used as a natural dam, and the water would have used to generate water to the main building as a natural supply for our guests. All right?
Okay.
Okay.
It's amazing. The trees, 370 species of native trees, and just over 2,500 species of flowering plants. And at Asa Wright, you can see the landscape in here. Every plant we put in here for purpose. See, the birds coming after us. If you stand here, we have bright colors, they will come after you. I had a woman on my tour at one time, painted red lipstick, and this hummingbird follow her from the stairs all the way down here. They don't smell the see colors. The eyes of a hummingbird is like bigger than their brain. So they see colors really fast. That's why, look at the hummingbird feeders. They look like a big flower, right? Yeah. Leaf cutting ant, known as bachaks. So what they do, there's a party of ants in workers. All they do is maintain the trails. So when the workers are coming with the leaves, there's no obstacle in their way. So when it's ripe, it's open like that. Look at it, like a true nutmeg. The mist, just like a true nutmeg, it don't have the aroma or the spicy smell. But this is really good food for Trinidad pipe and guan. And also the dispersed seeds, they hang like that. And when it drops, and even birds. So the toucans and the bellbirds will swallow the seed whole and then regurgitate the seed. So when they regurgitate the seed and when it drops wherever, it will germinate and start to grow.
And that's the red in there as well?
Yeah, that's the red in there.
Well, all in all, guys, I hope you've enjoyed this little trip to Hardcore, Asa Wright. Really beautiful. I'm now coming off the trail. I had to leave the group because I have to head back home to my family. I hope people truly come and visit this place and see all the beauty and wonder that Trinidad has to offer. Really worth it, even if you just come for the day. I highly recommend it just to learn about the birds or even just to kick back and relax. Check it out. I'm going to have lunch and I'll see you guys next week. Blessings.